YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe and bell notification. I do my best each and every day, giving you guys top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, we're talking about some Pepe today because Pepe's been on a roll, but we want to know, can it hit some new all-time highs, or is Bitcoin gonna come correcting down and ruin the party? Right? You guys can see we had this sideways price action. It's Sunday. We usually see sell-off into the weekend, guys. For those of you guys that are brand new into the market because you just bought in at the top because you only buy the top and you only like the top. You only like when the price is very high. But just so you guys know, we usually see price sell-off going into the weekend, and we didn't really see that this weekend yet, right? Can we maybe see a retest of some of these lows? In my opinion, I would hope so. Honestly, guys, I would hope that Bitcoin needs to cool down a little bit, retest some of these lower levels because the greed index is just off the charts. A little too much for me right now. And again, I don't want us to need to see a bigger correction, right? Let's see. It says Bitcoin slips below 104. Bears take a swing. Interesting to see. Is Bitcoin going to rage on again? We do know that we're against some key resistance levels right now on the 1 year. And again, Bitcoin is at a point where it could really start soaring. But again, where would that put us in the greed state, man? Like, we are already looking too greedy right now. Like, the markets are looking a little too greedy. I would like to see this again tick back just a little bit. This is our fear greed index. I like to use this to kind of know, like, engage tops and stuff like that. You can use whatever you like to use. But again, you can see our greed index right here. We're getting it really kind of way too fast into this extreme greed state. And when they're greedy, I'm fearful. When they're fearful, I'm greedy. When the guy comes in telling me that that he's just super bullish, that's when I'm like, okay, maybe we need a little bit of a pullback here. I don't think it would be crazy. I think it might even extend our cycle a bit if we can see some kind of correction here, right? Maybe something like this happen and then boom, right? That would be cool. Or maybe something like this happen and then us like head into somewhere like here and us stay bullish for, again, a couple months, right? This was nice. Nice couple months of extreme greed up there, right? But again, are we going to see Bitcoin rocket up? If Bitcoin decides it wants to rocket up, then we can go to this red zone into an even higher state of greed, right? We can get even greedier, right? Like, are we about to break out into extreme greed and then get even greedier? Like, maybe get highs we've ever seen? Like, we're going to see, look at what we've seen in the past. So we've seen 88 in the past, dude. 88. When this fear greed index was at 88, dude, I was like telling everybody, I'm like, bruh, y'all too greedy, and something's gonna happen pretty soon. And again, everybody's eating their turkey giblets. I'm over here like, guys, these turkey giblets just don't taste right. And then the mark goes, all the way down, right? And yeah, so I'm wondering, again, are we gonna see a little bit of correction in the short term again, guys? Nobody knows. Nobody knows because nobody has a crystal ball. But again, Bitcoin's at a key decision time right now. You guys could see. Is it going to rip up above 100K? 105, I'm sorry. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. We're going to pull up some Pepe because, again, Pepe has been rocking and rolling, and I want to check it out. Do you see? It's my most recent searches. It's just been performing pretty nicely. It's up 5% on the day. And again, look, bam, cup and handle, right? Showing a lot of demand. And that's what I pay attention to on these Bitcoin dips. Pay attention to the coins that are seeing demand. Look at Pepe, bro. Is Pepe going to break out? Look at this 7-day chart, guys. Up 73%. Now, again, we can always correct down. Somebody's saying Pepe and Peanut. Wow, I've been making videos talking about Pepe and Peanut. I don't know who this Trader Rye guy is. Looks like somebody that maybe watches my channel probably and then makes content after that. What the? But again, Pepe is one of the coins that a lot of people are paying attention to. Also, Bonk. We've talked about Bonk too. A lot of these coins, man, maybe a lot of these people are following me this year because, dude, a lot of people, right? Talking about some of the same coins that we've talked about. And I don't watch any of these guys because they don't know how to read contracts and they're noobs. But anyway, guys, look at the 1 month on Pepe, up 102%. We've been talking about it. Have you been paying attention? Have you been watching? Well, guess what, guys? Pepe, again, is at a point where it could possibly see some more upside, right? Again, if we can create this cup and handle and start breaking out, with Bitcoin, it's going to take Bitcoin. It's going to take some confidence, right, in the market in order for this thing to move. But again, we do know that Pepe has had a great run so far, and again, it has a lot of demand behind it. We've seen this thing go up very, very high, guys. It went up very high. We know what this bull flag can do, right? This bull flag can be very bullish. We could easily shoot up into $7-8 billion, right? So you guys could see Pepe Coin showing a sign of recovery. This cup and handle pattern that looks like it's butting up on some key resistance also can have some significant upside. We've seen where a cup and handle pattern has had significant upside right here, right? This was a cup and handle and it had significant upside. It led us to a top, right? Interesting, interesting, interesting. Can Pepe Coin go running on again? Can we see another big Pepe Coin bounce? 87% of the community bullish on Pepe out of almost 1 million votes, guys. 13% of people bearish, right? 1 million followers, right? Number 25, we were at 28. Now we're at 25. I was saying, can Pepe be a top 10 cryptocurrency in this meme coin cycle, right? We saw SHIB going into the top 10. We've seen Doge in the top 10 for some time now. And I'm wondering, is it time for a new meme coin to make its way into the top trending? Again, we've been talking about Pepe Coin on the channel now for years. One of the first channels to talk about Pepe Coin. Do your own research. Go check that out. Test it. Back test it. We've been talking about Pepe, guys. Long time. Some of you guys remember the first episodes that I made on Pepe because you've been following me for years. But again, guys, I don't know if Pepe is going to continue running on. It does look like it's making some kind of a bull flag here on the 1 month. And again, it's been trending in these top coins over on CoinMarketCap. And how many times have we guessed these top coins on CoinMarketCap? We've done it quite a bit, including we talked about Moondang just the other day too on the channel, up now 72%, right? We're going to start seeing a lot of these coins that, again, we're moving in the past, start moving. We talked about Peanut, right? Maybe Peanut moves with Moondang. Maybe some of these, maybe even Fred the Raccoon. Remember Fred the Raccoon, guys? Let's check out Fred and see how Fred's doing. I haven't checked out Fred in a while. I haven't. What the? How do I do that, dude? How do I do that, bro? Are you serious? Up 47%. How do I do that? Again, Fred the Raccoon has had some interest in the past, guys, and I look for these coins that, again, have had interest in the past because I'm an idiot, and I like to buy the dip. But, again, some people don't like to buy dips. You know, I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I really don't care what you do with your money. Those are just things that I would be paying attention to. Again, the coins that have volume on the dip. I think I've said it maybe once, maybe twice, maybe a billion times on the channel that I pay attention to coins that have volume on this dip. But again, guys, do whatever you want with your money. Always make sure you do your research. Never listen to YouTubers and don't buy anything that you guys see off of YouTube because that is so stupid, especially when you consider most of these guys don't know how to check a contract. They don't know anything. Even me, I'm not a professional in cryptocurrency. We're not professionals, not financial advisors, right? I'm just the homie. I just talk about this, these trends and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, guys, you got to go do your research because you're an adult and you're responsible and you're an alpha, and alphas make their own decisions and only betas go around following people. So again, guys, if you guys want to learn how to trade this stuff, I've been teaching it on the channel for years. I want you to learn. So again, you can make your own educated decision. Imagine that, making educated decisions instead of uneducated decisions behind people that are uneducated. Wouldn't that be a lot better to make educated decisions? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're looking for that education, I do have a Patreon. I'll leave you guys a link to my Patreon in the comment section. Teach you guys how to read contracts, how to track these coins, how I'm able to find these coins just with using, again, my logic, guys. It's not foolproof, but I have a pretty decent track record. I've done pretty well with guessing these things. So again, guys, if you guys like this type of content, let me know in the comment section below. We're going to keep rolling out some Pepe Coin videos, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.